Hello guys, Sat Sri Akal from Tech Savvy Punjabi Munda. First of all, thank you so much for liking me, and supporting me in YouTube, and these feedbacks really help. Some of my friends have approached me to tell me, regarding the voice and the video quality. I've tried to, enhance it in this video. So I hope you all love this video. So in this session, we will be covering again regarding the PowerPoint only. Our topics will be regarding PowerPoint. So in this session, we'll be covering regarding some useful, tips with respect to PowerPoint. So first of all, let's start now. So I'll share you. Uh, the first thing which you want to learn is regarding the F5 feature. So it's basically the start to start the slideshow. From the beginning, you just have to click the F5 button. This will take you to the first slide. Okay, so now let's say if you are in the current slide, and you want to make sure that this particular slide opens. So what you can do is you can click shift plus F5, then this particular current slide will open. Okay, so this was two tricks. The third trick I wanted to show you was regarding the image cropping. Okay, let's say we have this particular image. I've taken this from Google. Okay, so what how we can do it, just double click the image. Okay, and there's on the top right you can see a crop button. Just click that. You can just crop the image from here. Okay, you can just bright the picture as well. You can put some artistic kind of things as well, over here, whatever you want. Okay, now when you have cropped the image, I mean this image doesn't look nice, so let's double click this one, and this kind of drop down will open. Just put it like this. Now sometimes we have to club two images together, right? So how to do it? It's very simple. Just select these two images, right click it. There's a group option, then group it. So now this image is together. You can paste it anywhere. And just in case, if you want to regroup it, simple. Right click it, group, ungroup. Okay. One more feature I wanted to show you, which respect to the designs of this particular PPT. Let's say we have this cover page. Okay, so I want to enhance this cover page. How to do it? Just click the design option on the top. Yeah, there's on the right hand side there's a design ideas. Now over here on the right hand side, new ideas will open. Let's say like this. This looks much better, or like this. Whichever you want to pick. There we go. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and I'll keep sharing with my I'll come with my next video. And thank you so much guys, keep supporting me. Appreciate it. I'll sign off from the Tech Savvy Punjabi Munda.